Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Visual Studio hangs on creating a new project, diagnosing and solving, 100% success guide with code examples. This comprehensive guide aims to help you diagnose and resolve the frustrating issue of Visual Studio hanging or freezing when creating a new project. We'll cover a wide range of potential causes and solutions, ensuring a high probability of resolving your problem. We'll also include code examples relevant to some of the scenarios. Understanding the problem. When Visual Studio hangs during new project creation, it can manifest in several ways. Visual Studio appears unresponsive. The UI becomes frozen, you can't click on anything, and the title bar might show, not responding, ... Progress bar stops * the creating project. Progress bar stalls indefinitely. Disk activity ceases * you observe a complete lack of disk activity related to Visual Studio. High CPU/memory usage * one or more Visual Studio processes, davenv.exe, vbcscompiler.exe, etc., consume excessive CPU or memory resources. No error messages * crucially, often there are no error messages displayed, making diagnosis challenging. Why does this happen? The reasons for this hang can be varied. Here's a breakdown of the most common culprits. 1. Extension conflicts * third-party extensions are a primary suspect. A malfunctioning or incompatible extension can interfere with the project creation process. 2. Corrupted Visual Studio installation * some core components of Visual Studio might be corrupted, leading to instability. 3. Outdated or corrupted NuGet package cache * problems with the NuGet package manager and its cache can block project initialization. 4. Antivirus interference * aggressive antivirus software might be scanning or blocking Visual Studio processes or files during project creation. 5. User profile issues * a corrupted user profile can lead to unexpected application behavior, including freezes. 6. Hardware issues, rare while less common, memory or disk problems could contribute to instability. 7. .NET Framework problems * issues with the .NET Framework runtime, especially if you're targeting older versions, can cause issues. 8. Insufficient permissions * lack of adequate permissions to create files in the target directory can halt the process. 9. Conflicting background processes * other applications running in the background may conflict with Visual Studio. 10. Visual Studio updates * newly installed updates can sometimes introduce bugs. 11. Template issues * the project template you're trying to use might be corrupted or incompatible. Troubleshooting and solutions, a step-by-step guide. We'll approach the troubleshooting process in a logical order, starting with the simplest and most common solutions. 1. Restart Visual Studio, the obvious, but necessary. Close Visual Studio completely, including any background processes. Use Task Manager, Ctrl+Shift+ESC, to ensure all davenv.exe instances are terminated. Restart Visual Studio as an administrator, right-click the Visual Studio icon and select Run as Administrator. This provides Visual Studio with elevated privileges that might be required for certain operations. 2. Disable extensions, the prime suspect. Start Visual Studio in safe mode *. This disables all third-party extensions. Open the Run dialog, Windows key +R, and type. Press Enter. Try creating a new project in safe mode. If the project creation succeeds in safe mode *, an extension is definitely the culprit. Proceed to the next step. If the project still hangs in safe mode *, skip to section 3, Repair Visual Studio. Identify and disable problematic extensions. 1. In Visual Studio, Normal Mode, Not Safe Mode, go to Extensions, Manage Extensions. 2. Disable extensions one at a time, restarting Visual Studio after each disable. 3. After each restart, try creating a new project. 4. When you identify the extension that's causing the hang, either update it, if an update is available, or uninstall it permanently. Commonly problematic extensions. Any extension that significantly modifies the IDE's behavior or adds custom templates. Extensions that haven't been updated in a long time. Extensions related to specific technologies that you're not using. 3. Repair Visual Studio. A repair operation can fix corrupted components within the Visual Studio installation. Open the Visual Studio installer. Search for Visual Studio installer in the Start menu. Find your Visual Studio instance. Locate the Visual Studio instance that's giving you problems. Click More Repair. Start the repair process. This might take some time as it re-downloads and reinstalls necessary files. 4. Clear NuGet package cache. A corrupted or outdated NuGet package cache can prevent Visual Studio from creating projects that rely on NuGet packages. Visual Studio interface. Go to Tools, NuGet Package Manager Settings. In the Package Sources section, locate the Clear All NuGet Cache button. Click it. Command line. Open the command prompt, as administrator, and type. This clears all local NuGet caches. Manual deletion, advanced. 1. Close Visual Studio. 2. Navigate to the following directories, replace username with your Windows username. %user profile %\nuget /packages. %localapp data %\nuget /cache. %temp %\nuget scratch. 3. Delete the contents of these directories. Be careful not to delete the directories themselves, only their contents. 5. Configure antivirus software. Antivirus programs can sometimes interfere with Visual Studio. Temporarily disable antivirus. Completely disable your antivirus software and try creating a new project. If disabling antivirus fixes the issue. You need to configure exceptions in your antivirus software. If disabling antivirus doesn't fix the issue. Re-enable your antivirus and move on to the next step. Add Visual Studio to antivirus exceptions. Add the following Visual Studio related processes and directories to your antivirus's exception list. .davinv.exe, the Visual Studio IDE executable, usually found in C/program files, x86, /Microsoft Visual Studio /version /edition /common 7 /IDE *VBCS compiler.exe, the Visual Basic Compiler process. *CSC.exe, the C compiler process. *MSBuild.exe. The directory where you create your projects. The %temp directory. The %appdata %local /Microsoft /Visual Studio /version directory. 6. Create a new user profile. If your user profile is corrupted, it can cause various application issues. Create a new local user account. In Windows, go to Settings, Accounts, Family and Other Users. Add someone else to this PC. Create a local user account, don't use a Microsoft account for testing. Asterisk log in to the new user account. Asterisk switch to the new user account. Asterisk install Visual Studio. Minimal install Visual Studio on the new account, but only install the minimum required components for the type of project you're trying to create. Example, if you're creating a C console application, just install the .NET Desktop Development Workload. Don't install any extensions yet. Asterisk try creating a new project. Asterisk see if you can create a new project in Visual Studio under the new user account. Asterisk if project creation succeeds in the new user account. Asterisk your original user profile is likely corrupted. You can either migrate your data to the new profile or try to repair the old profile, a more complex process. Asterisk if project creation still fails in the new user account. Asterisk the issue is likely system-wide or related to the Visual Studio installation itself. Skip to step 7. 7. Reinstall Visual Studio, the nuclear option. If none of the above solutions work, a clean reinstall of Visual Studio is often necessary. This is a more involved process, but it can resolve deeply ingrained problems. Asterisk uninstall Visual Studio. Asterisk use the Visual Studio installer to completely uninstall your current instance. Make sure to uninstall all components related to Visual Studio. Sometimes, the Windows control panel's programs and features can also be used. Asterisk run the Visual Studio uninstaller tool. Asterisk Microsoft provides a dedicated uninstaller tool to ensure a complete removal. Search for Visual Studio uninstaller tool on the Microsoft website or use the command line tool install cleanup.exe. Run it with the /full option for a thorough cleanup. This is important to remove residual files and registry entries that can cause problems with the new installation. Asterisk restart your computer. Asterisk restart your computer after the uninstallation is complete. Asterisk download the latest Visual Studio installer. Asterisk download the latest version of the Visual Studio installer from the official Microsoft website. Asterisk reinstall Visual Studio. Asterisk run the installer and install Visual Studio, choosing the workloads and components you need. Start with a minimal installation and add components later as needed. 8. Check system requirements and resources. Ensure your system meets the minimum requirements for Visual Studio. Insufficient memory or disk space can cause hangs and crashes. Asterisk RAM. Asterisk Visual Studio generally requires at least 4 GB of RAM, but 8 GB or more is recommended for larger projects. Asterisk disk space. Asterisk ensure you have sufficient free disk space on the drive where you're installing Visual Studio and where you're creating your projects. Solid-state drives, SSDs, provide significantly better performance than traditional hard drives. Asterisk CPU. Asterisk a multi-core processor is highly recommended for Visual Studio. 9. .NET Framework troubleshooting. Issues with the .NET Framework can sometimes cause Visual Studio to hang, especially when targeting older .NET versions. Asterisk repair the .NET Framework. Asterisk use the .NET Framework repair tool from Microsoft. This tool can detect and fix common problems with the .NET Framework installation. Asterisk reinstall the .NET Framework. Asterisk download and reinstall the .NET Framework versions that you need from the Microsoft website. Asterisk target a newer .NET version. Asterisk if possible, try targeting a newer version of the .NET Framework in your project. Newer versions often have better performance and stability. 10. Investigate Event Viewer logs. The Windows Event Viewer can provide clues about errors or warnings that occurred during the project creation process. Asterisk open Event Viewer. Asterisk search for Event Viewer in the Start menu. Asterisk navigate to Windows Logs application. Asterisk look for errors or warnings that occurred around the time Visual Studio hung. Asterisk examine the details. Asterisk the details of the event log entries might provide information about the cause of the problem, such as specific files that could not be accessed or errors related to specific components. 11. Check for conflicting background processes. Other applications running in the background might be interfering with Visual Studio. Perform a clean boot. A clean boot starts Windows with a minimal set of drivers and startup programs. This can help identify if a third-party application is causing the problem. Search for misconfig in the Start menu and use the System Configuration utility to perform a clean boot. Close unnecessary applications. Close any applications that you don't need to be running while you're creating a new project. 12. Template issues. In rare cases, the project template itself may be corrupted or incompatible. Try a different template. Try creating a new project using a different template. Example, if you're having problems with a WPF application, try creating a console application. Reinstall project templates. You can try reinstalling the project templates by using the Visual Studio installer to modify your installation and reselecting the workloads that contain the templates. Code examples, relevant scenarios. While the hanging issue is rarely directly caused by code, here are a few scenarios where code or configuration can indirectly contribute to the problem, along with examples. 1. Custom NuGet package sources causing delays. If you have custom NuGet package sources configured, Visual Studio might hang while trying to access them if they are unavailable or slow. Solution: temporarily disable or remove custom NuGet package sources to see if that resolves the issue. If a custom source is the problem, investigate its availability and performance. 2. Incorrect file permissions. If Visual Studio doesn't have the necessary permissions to create files in the target directory, it can hang. This is more common on network drives or when using symbolic links. Example: trying to create a project on a network share where your user account has read-only permissions. Solution: ensure your user account has read and write permissions to the target directory. If you're using symbolic links, make sure they are correctly configured and point to valid locations. 3. Long paths, Windows limitation. Older versions of Visual Studio and .NET Framework can have issues with file paths exceeding 260 characters. Example: creating a project in a deeply nested directory structure. Solution: enable long paths in Windows 10 11ths. 1. Rungbedite.msc, Group Policy Editor. This is available in Professional/Enterprise editions of Windows. 2. Navigate to Computer Configuration Administrative Templates System File System. 3. Enable the Enable NTFS Long Paths setting. Use shorter paths for your project directories. Upgrade to a newer version of Visual Studio and .NET Framework that supports long paths. 4. Template corruption, unlikely, but possible. If the problem is only happening with a particular template, example ASP.NET Core Web API, the template files themselves might be corrupted. Solution: 1. Locate the template files. The template files are typically stored in the Visual Studio installation directory under a path like. The exact location might vary slightly depending on the template type. 2. Reinstall the workload. The easiest way to replace potentially corrupted template files is to use the Visual Studio installer to modify your installation and reselect the workload that provides the template. This will reinstall the necessary files. Key takeaways and best practices. Start simple. Begin with the easiest and most common solutions first. Restart, disable extensions. Be methodical. Work through the troubleshooting steps one by one, testing after each step to isolate the cause. Asterisk isolate the problem. Asterisk try to narrow down the circumstances under which the problem occurs, specific project types, specific solutions. Asterisk check the obvious. Asterisk make sure your system meets the minimum requirements, you have sufficient disk space, and your antivirus software isn't interfering. Asterisk document your steps. Asterisk keep track of the troubleshooting steps you've taken so you don't repeat yourself and can provide information to others if you need assistance. Asterisk keep Visual Studio up to date. Asterisk install the latest Visual Studio updates and security patches. Asterisk avoid too many extensions. Asterisk only install extensions that you actually need. Asterisk regularly clear NuGet cache. Asterisk clean the NuGet package cache periodically to prevent issues. Asterisk use a reliable antivirus. Asterisk choose a reputable antivirus program that doesn't aggressively block legitimate software. By following these steps and systematically addressing potential causes, you should be able to resolve the Visual Studio Hang On New project creation issue and get back to coding. Good luck.